This is the Good Nature Professional Trap Kit. Let's talk about what's in the box, how it works, and why it's perfect for when you want trapping to be out of sight and out of reach. Inside the Professional Trap Kit, you'll get one of our legendary A24 rat and mouse traps, one Bluetooth connected smart cap, one self-dispensing automatic paste pump, one lure basket, one trap mount with screws, two CO2 gas canisters, and the star of this kit, the trap box, which also includes a trap tray, two keys, and one disposal tray. The Professional Trap Kit gives rats and mice a swift, humane, toxin-free death by attracting them, striking them, automatically resetting, and sharing that kill with your smartphone, all from within this extra safe and super discreet trap box. Rats and mice will enter the trap box through this entrance. They'll crawl across this trap disposal tray and up into the trap. When they nudge this silver trigger, gas will rush out from this chamber, shooting out the orange striker, killing the rodent instantly. The rat or mouse will drop down into the disposal tray within the trap box, where it'll be housed discreetly until you're ready to dispose of it. The box can hold up to 3 dead rodents. This is where the smart cap comes in. It's like the brain of your trap, recording the time, date, and air temperature of every kill. It holds that data until you're in Bluetooth range, sending it to your Good Nature smartphone app. That way, you'll always know what your professional trap kit has been up to and exactly when you need to take action. This CO2 gas canister powers the trap, charging the orange striker for 24 back-to-back kills. The automatic paste pump is hands-off. It self-dispenses the lure we've developed into the trap for 6 months automatically. The lure basket is hands-on. You can put whatever your heart desires in there. Customers tell us peanut butter, oats, and pet food are favorites. These keys lock the trap box front plate, so it's unseen and extra safe. Impossible for small hands or paws to touch the danger zone. Being our most discreet and least accessible trap kit, it's perfect for busy areas or areas with inquisitive kids and pets. It's at home, around the house, garden or office, where you'll find kids, pets and staff mingling, and far more public spaces like thoroughfares, parks and roadside areas. Regardless of where you're trapping, these basic principles always apply with any trap, Good Nature or otherwise. Put the trap somewhere rodents feel safe and secure. Setting up the Professional Trap Kit is easy. All you need to do is set up the trap, download the Good Nature smartphone app, and give it a test fire to make sure it's all connected. First, open the box with the key and remove the contents. We recommend you mount the box to a wall for security and stability no matter where you're trapping. It has 6 fastening points. Next, you'll need to activate your smart cap. Pop off the lid. Remove the tab from the back of the battery, place the battery back in, then place that top back onto the cap. Activating the smart cap requires Bluetooth. Shake the cap until you receive a notification on your app. Now that your cap is activated, it should also take you through the remainder of the setup process. Choose your weapon, the automatic paste pump or the lure basket. If you go with the automatic paste pump, remove the coin. Once removed, a chemical reaction will occur, dispensing paste out into your trap over 6 months. If you go with the lure basket, screw it into the trap, then put a smart cap on. You can use Good Nature paste pouches for lure and also to pre-feed your trap. Place it inside your smart cap. Once inside the cap, remove the lid and screw the smart cap onto the trap. The CO2 gas canister is what powers your trap. You'll need to remove the black cap off the canister and screw it into place. You'll hear the sound of gas releasing into your trap. To test that the trap and app is connected, you'll need to do a test fire. A test fire should sound something like this. Once you receive the test fire notification, you're then set for years of stress-free, safer Good Nature trapping with the Professional Trap Kit.